Welcome to the state-of-the-art Volvo VNL plant, where innovation meets excellence in truck manufacturing. Built just 2 years ago with a singular purpose, to craft our new truck, this facility spans over 400,000 square feet and is equipped with cutting-edge automation and technology. At the core of our operation is a commitment to quality, efficiency, and safety. We've invested significantly in redefining how we build trucks, introducing sub-assemblies that enhance quality, ergonomics, and safety for our valued employees. With the integration of 164 new robots, we've doubled our capacity and elevated our production standards to new heights. Our relentless pursuit of innovation extends beyond production numbers. We're revolutionizing the trucking industry with revolutionary aerodynamics and powertrain innovations, enhancing fuel efficiency by up to 10%. Safety remains paramount, as our next-generation proprietary SAFE platform sets a new standard for active safety, paving the way towards a zero-accident future. But it's not just about numbers and technology, it's about the impact on our customers and communities. Our trucks are designed not only to meet their needs but to exceed their expectations. With exterior and interior trim packages that turn heads and improve purchase decisions, coupled with Volvo's most connected truck features, including the exclusive Eco Emergency Response System and My True app, we're enhancing efficiency and productivity for our customers. Whether traversing the deserts of the western United States, the forests of British Columbia, the cold roads of Alaska, or the rolling hills of the Carolinas, the Volvo VNL is your safe home away from home. It's a truck that combines design and performance, setting new standards in the industry. As we embark on this journey of change, we invite you to explore the all-new Volvo VNL. While sales will commence in a few months, there's much more to discover about this groundbreaking vehicle. Visit our website today to learn more about how we're ushering in a new era for Volvo trucks and the transportation industry at large. The 1.6 million square foot new River Valley assembly plant, located on nearly 300 acres in Dublin, Virginia, is the largest Volvo truck manufacturing facility in the world. The plant is certified under the ISO 9001 quality, ISO 14001 environmental, and ISO 50001 energy standards. The new River Valley plant produces all Volvo trucks sold in North America, including the VNM, VNL, VNX, VHD and VAH models. At the new River Valley, Virginia plant, 2024 Volvo VNL trucks are being created with exceptional care and commitment from our professional staff. Volvo VNL's final production line demonstrates the power of technology and the sophistication of the assembly process, step by step. The assembly line of the new River Valley plant in Virginia is a symphony of precision and efficiency, where every step is meticulously orchestrated to bring forth a new Volvo VNL truck. From the body shop to the final assembly line, the process is a testament to craftsmanship and technology. The journey begins at the body shop, where more than 6,000 individual parts begin their transformation. Sheet steel is where it all begins. Every new truck model, like a human being, is unique and requires product-specific tools. In the cab plant, sheet steel undergoes a remarkable transformation, shaped by 340 new presses. These presses produce 7 million parts for the new Volvo FH in a single year, each part pressed in several stages to ensure optimal fit when assembled. The assembly process is a marvel of modern technology, with over 300 robots working with silky smooth precision throughout the factory. Guided by advanced computer programs, these robots perform intricate tasks, including laser welding of outer panels with a precision that surpasses conventional methods. The frame rails, the backbone of every truck, undergo meticulous assembly. The chassis takes shape, with the air suspension system being integrated into its core. Simultaneously, in another part of the factory, the cab is constructed, with side panels delicately placed on the base plate and secured with spot welds and the precision of welding robots. After just a few hours, the sheet steel is transformed into a cab, marking the next stage on the assembly line. The paint shop, one of the most environmentally optimized in the world, coats the cab in an entirely automatic process, using significantly less paint than a decade ago. As the cab moves along the assembly line, it is fitted with components by skilled hands, passing through 350 different pairs of hands before the entire interior is in place. Innovative bonding techniques ensure the glass panels contribute to the cab's overall strength, enhancing safety. In just 3 days, the cab is complete, ready to be transported to the chassis plant for final assembly. In the paint shop, the trucks come alive with a spectrum of over 500 different colors to choose from. Depending on the cab style, it takes only minutes to coat the entire cab, ensuring not just aesthetics but also protection against the elements for years to come. Meanwhile, in Hagerstown, Maryland, engines are crafted with meticulous care. Robots insert cylinders while machines grind and bore crankshaft bearings. An induction hardening process strengthens the crankshaft, ensuring durability and reliability. These engines, tailored for specific trucks, are then transported to the assembly line in New River Valley. On the main assembly line, the magic unfolds as the cabin moves forward at a steady pace. Freshly painted engines are carefully installed onto the chassis, each engine perfectly matched to its destined truck. Then comes the moment of unity, as the chassis and cabin are joined together, symbolizing the culmination of craftsmanship and technology. After meticulous installation of add-on parts, the trucks undergo a pre-delivery inspection. They are test-driven to ensure optimal performance and safety. Once approved, they receive the stamp of quality assurance, signaling their readiness to hit the open road. In just 12 hours, from the bustling activity of the assembly line to the serene open road, a new Volvo VNL truck is born. With state-of-the-art technology and precision craftsmanship, it stands ready to be a driver's reliable best friend for many years to come, embodying Volvo's commitment to quality, safety, and innovation. In a world where change is constant, Volvo embraces it as an invitation to drive progress and shape a sustainable future. With a legacy of purposeful design and innovation, we continue to seek out solutions that redefine excellence in the transportation industry. Our commitment to creating purposeful change is evident in every aspect of our trucks. From efficiency and sustainability to safety and partnership, we refuse to settle for anything less than extraordinary. The next generation of VNL is a testament to our dedication to improvement. Building upon the foundation of excellence, we've elevated every aspect of the truck, ensuring it meets and exceeds the evolving needs of our customers and the industry. At Volvo, change is not just inevitable, it's embraced as an opportunity to lead, inspire, and drive progress. Join us as we continue to push the boundaries of innovation and shape the future of transportation. These Volvos will be tested for safety from the laboratory to real life to provide the best safety before being delivered to customers. Let's continue watching the video. Safety is in Volvo Trucks' DNA, and the engineers focused on new and improved proprietary active and passive safety features to continue the company's journey towards zero accidents. A variety of class-leading active safety systems are offered with the new Volvo VNL, including Volvo Active Driver Assist Plus with Pilot Assist, which provides active lane centering. Volvo Active Driver Assist Plus is powered by Volvo Dynamic Steering, which improves maneuvering at all speeds, including more controlled backing, increases stability at all road speeds, and adapts and corrects for crosswinds, highway crowning, soft shoulders, or emergency situations like tire failure. The new pedestrian detection feature alerts the driver when a pedestrian or bicyclist may be in their path or blind spots and will activate frontal automatic emergency braking for objects directly in the path of travel. Class-leading passive safety systems offered in the new Volvo VNL include the bonded and wrapped windshield providing panoramic views. This not only improves aerodynamics for the Volvo VNL, but it also improves visibility for drivers, bolstering safety and reducing wind noise in the cab. The cab of the new Volvo VNL is designed according to Volvo Trucks' leading crash test standards and will offer a side curtain airbag, with options for driver-only or driver and passenger airbags, a North American industry first. Cabs are constructed of high-strength steel to deflect the energy of a crash to reduce the chance of injury. Additionally, Volvo Trucks' flared frame rails allow the powertrain to drop down below the cab to protect the driver. eCall, an innovative new safety feature, connects the driver to emergency services where cellular connectivity is available and provides precise location details. This occurs automatically in the event of a rollover crash or airbag deployment. Industry first option packaging is introduced in North America. Volvo Trucks has transformed the speccing process for the new Volvo VNL series by introducing packaging options for powertrain and safety, an industry first that simplifies and optimizes the configuration and ordering process and streamlines the assembly operations. Customers can choose the optimal powertrain package for their application duty cycle and fuel efficiency goals by selecting from 3 powertrain packages that feature the Volvo D13 engine with 5 different horsepower and torque ratings available. Additionally, customers can select from several safety packages to ensure that their truck is equipped with the appropriate technology to meet their fleet safety goals of protecting their drivers, those around their trucks, and the assets they are hauling. Bundling the proper safety features promotes Volvo's goal of 0 accidents. The all-new Volvo VNL is conveniently packaged into 4 exterior and interior trim levels: Core, Edge, Edge Black and Ultimate, with 6 cab configurations, each designed to fit customers' preference, brand identity, and operational use. New Volvo VNL available with 6 cab configurations: VNL 300-day cab, VNL 440 42-inch mid-roof sleeper, VNL 640 62-inch mid-roof sleeper, VNL 660 62-inch full-height sleeper, VNL 840 74-inch mid-roof sleeper, VNL 860 74-inch full-height sleeper,